channel. In today's video, I will be unboxing this Lollipop Smart Baby Monitor. We have actually contemplating to buy one of these baby monitor because our place is not too big to have this extra camera. But there are times that Riley needs to sleep in her room while we are working here at the living room, and she doesn't need to be disturbed. We don't have actually a workaround to have like a monitor what she's doing, if she's already awake or she's like what's happening in her room. Basically, that's the idea. That's why we finally decided to get one of these. We tried to search with different baby monitor camera, and there are a lot, like literally a lot of products, and they all have good reviews, but they have different designs, of course. But this one caught our attention because it's really cute. And let's unbox this and let's see what I'm talking about, because I haven't opened this one. Nice, I love the packaging. It just says Lollipop Baby Camera. Whoa, so cute. I like the color. Ooh. It's so funny in the video because it looks like I have one-eyed face. Thank you for choosing Lollipop. Now, let's get started. A bunch of instructions at the back. You have on how you will place your camera in your nursery room. This is the wall mount. It looks like a branch. So you have these, and of course you have a charger. You have the cable covers, the screws, a clip, and of course your long cable. See? And what else? Nice. This is the power brick. It comes with a different sockets here. Okay. So yeah, basically that's all what's inside the box. You have your camera, a bunch of accessories for mounting your camera. This baby camera have 3 different colors. One is turquoise, this one is cotton candy, and pistachio. So only 3 colors. These basically have a bunch of features, which are, the first one, of course, you have a live view, so you can check your baby real time anywhere you are. The second one is true crime detection, is that it can tell the difference between ambient noises like wind or like when your child needs attention. It will send you an alert that your baby is like crying or needs your attention. The third one is a crossing detection. You can set a border within the camera, and whenever your baby like cross the border, it will send you a notification as well that, you know, your baby is like moving around without you knowing. And the next one is data history, so that you have a record on what is happening on your daily basis, and you have an idea what, you know, what are the developments of your baby or what else that needs your attention. So basically that one is quite nice to have that feature. And the next one is, it also have a sleep tracking, so that you can check how long does your baby sleeps, and it saves a 30-second video for you to review and if anything unusual happens. Yeah, that's Riley. And the next one is sharing. Of course, you can share the feeds to your families and friends for them, you know, at least see your baby. And the last one, of course, is the baby DJ. So it has a calming music, classical music, and all those white noises like vacuums or hair dryer. Same thing with other different baby camera that it supports Android or iOS devices, and you just need to download the app. And from there, you can do your configuration and watch your baby remotely. So here is your baby camera. Of course, you can bend this and bend there, or whatever bend you need. It's very flexible. You have 3 options to install this baby camera in your nursery room. First, of course, using this tree branch. You need to attach this on the wall and wrap around it like this. And yeah, you're done. And the next one is you will attach to your baby's crib by using this one. This is like a clip. You just need to put it on and attach this to your crib, and then make sure to clip like this. And the next one is, of course, you just need to roll it and to stand on the table like this. Yeah. So easy, right? Whatever surface you have or place in your room, you can actually mount this one. So it's so easy. So the next thing that you need to do is, of course, download the app. There is a QR code. Of course, I'm too lazy to type. So yeah, need to download the app and then install the app. Of course, I don't have an account yet, so I will do is sign up. Of course, there is an introduction, then yeah, it will teach you how you will use this app. One more thing, the additional feature is that this one you can speak to your baby from this camera and you can hear your baby as well. So yeah, that's a good thing. Add a camera. You currently have no live view. Add a camera, okay? So make sure your device is connected to Wi-Fi. How should I do that? Oh. Do I need to plug in the power? Let's see. Oh, it turns on when I plug into my power bank. Okay, so please make sure Lollipop baby girl stay closer to your Wi-Fi signal source when setting up the camera. Please unplug and replug the wire guard of the camera. Get started. Oh, you just need to plug in the camera. There are no buttons on here. You just need to plug and then yeah, choose the Lollipop camera. Next. Okay, it's connecting. Search Wi-Fi. My Wi-Fi is over there. Oh no! It can't connect. Yay! Nice. Did you hear the sound? It's quite loud. And yeah, that's my camera there. Environment too noisy. Oh, it also gives me an alert that the environment is too noisy. So yeah, the camera is quite clear. And that's CJ. Hi. Excuse the house, it's quite a mess. have so much things to do. Having a baby, you don't have much time to clean your house. Yeah, this is nice. This is so clear. I like it. Alright. Okay, this is nice. What else? Baby gallery, inbox. Yeah, it records the alert as you can see here. And you have a bunch of settings that you need to set based on your preference. So yeah, I think I will need to play with this first. Yeah, this is nice. So obviously this is not a cordless camera. I didn't see any power cordless baby camera. So if any one of you have or know any camera that is cordless, just comment down below, okay? This is the Lollipop Smart Baby Camera. I really like this, especially the color because my baby is a girl. It looks like a toy. And it's the texture is so smooth. It's a silicone texture and it's very smooth. And yeah, I think it's very nice. This is very, 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 very useful because even if we are not working and during weekends, we still need a baby camera. We are training her to sleep alone, and especially in the afternoon, so that she can rest and have a pleasant sleep while mommy and daddy's watching movies. Alright, okay, that's all for now in this video, guys. I hope this mini unboxing and review of this baby camera will help you decide if this is worth it or you think you might like this. So yeah, thank you for watching. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you'll get notification whenever I post a new video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye! Mwah.